The primary tool we use in our work is called Health Impact Assessment, and it's a relatively structured but flexible tool.
A health impact assessment would actually look at and take a snapshot of what's going on in terms of health right now, and then make a prediction about if this decision was put into place, then how would health look into the future. And with findings and recommendations from an HIA, we can use those to actually influence decision making and ensure that any potential negative health impacts could be mitigated or avoided, and then also to maximize any areas where we find really beneficial impacts to health.
We're taking data that's already out there, some new data, and really trying to change decisions so that health outcomes are much better.
Well, it's a research tool, but it's also an engagement tool. And so it's a way to engage a lot of people in a discussion around a decision, and to use research to try to predict future health impacts of a decision. It's a policy or a project. And I think for me, the thing that is that's unique and helpful and useful and great about HIA is the actual engagement part of it.
It's done prospectively, so we're looking at decisions that are being made, and the goal is really to impact those decisions.
It's a way to get health into people's mindsets and have them consider and think about how their policies or projects are going to then lead to health, which is really, it's hard to argue against the quality of health and the importance of health.
As we try to think about the people affected by decisions first and what health issues they're facing now, and then how they will be impacted by the decision, and often those people don't already have a voice. And so I think that's one reason why it really resonates with me, is it just feels really real in that way. It feels like it's not just looking at studies and literature and looking at regulation. It's really starting with the people.